Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new video. In this video, I will delve into the world of AI language translation tools. We'll explore how these tools function and how to choose the right one based on various factors. So the first thing is I will explain how AI translation tools function. AI translation tools utilize advanced algorithms and machine learning to analyze and translate text or speech from one language to another. They break down language barriers by understanding context, grammar, and nuances. So, how to choose AI language translation tools? When selecting an AI translation tool, consider these factors. First, cost effectiveness. Assess pricing plans to find one that fits your budget. Next is ease of use. Look for user-friendly interfaces that simplify the translation process. Another one is speed and accuracy. Check for tools that provide quick and precise translations. Next is real-time translation. Opt for tools that offer real-time translation for live conversations. And another one is language support. Ensure the tool supports the languages you need. Next is scalability. Choose a tool that can grow with your needs, especially for businesses. Another one is constant updates. Tools that receive regular updates tend to improve over time. And the last one is privacy concerns. Pay attention to data privacy and choose tools that prioritize security. Now, I will show you the best AI language tools for 2023. The first one is Google Translate. Google Translate offers a vast selection of languages and features real-time translation for text and speech. It's free and widely accessible. Next is Bing Microsoft Translator. Microsoft's Translator is ideal for businesses, offering document translation, speech translation, and real-time conversation translation. Next is Reverso. Reverso provides context-aware translations, making it excellent for language learners. It offers grammar and pronunciation tools. Another one is the Papago. Papago by Naver is known for its accuracy in Asian languages and offers mobile app support for on-the-go translations. Another one is a DeepL. DeepL stands out for its human-like translations and is praised for its exceptional accuracy, making it an excellent choice for professional use. Now we also have Sistrans. Sistrans offer translation solutions for businesses, including document translation, multilingual website support, and more. Next is Smartling. Smartling is a comprehensive translation platform designed for businesses, offering translation management and localization services. And now we have the last one, which is Sonix. Sonix specializes in transcription and translation services, making it useful for converting audio and video content into multiple languages. And that's it! You now know about the 8 best AI translating tools for 2023 that are simplifying global communication and bridging language gaps. In a world that's more interconnected than ever, these AI translating tools can be your passport to understanding the world. Explore them, find the one that suits your needs best, and break down language barriers. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching 8 Best AI Translating Tools for 2023. See you on my next video.